Thought for the day, Saturday, August 3rd. Meditate within. If I barely have the opportunity to gather myself in a solitary place where I can pray in silence with no interruption from radios, telephones, and cars, or any noise from the street, I sometimes notice how much that silence speaks. I realize then that where there is noise, there is also the silence of God, and when there is silence, the voice of God is heard. In fact, sometimes it happens to me that if I pick up a book to meditate, I have to put it down right away because He wants us to talk inside myself. And then I understand the anchorites, the Carthusians, the Trappists, and how sonorous, full, and accompanying their lives is. But I cannot take this consolation from God other than as a means to continue my work and it closer to humanity, which I must serve to carry out the work that God has entrusted to me, and thus correspond to His love and His words, that He suggests in the depths of the heart in silence. It is enough for me to feel cold and know that I am loved. Chiara Lubich, Spiritual Writings to The Essentials of Today, New City.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.